Hey everyone, this is Adam, and today I'm going to be showing you a quick tutorial on how you can automatically export your HTML email designs from Figma to the Mailgun Inspect platform using the Emailify Figma plugin. And this is going to allow us to basically preview the HTML in real devices and real email clients like Outlook or different devices like iPhone and Android. And it's going to let you review what the HTML is going to look like on those real devices before you send out the email. So to get started, all we need to do is go to our Figma file, and if you click on the little resources or actions icon down here at the bottom of the file and search for Emailify, so that's Emailify, and under the plugins tab, if you click on Emailify, you can run the plugin by either clicking on this little run button down here, or I'd recommend clicking on the save icon next to that, and then you can run the plugin from your plugins list. So I've already clicked on the save icon, so I'm just going to go to my Figma canvas and right click anywhere, then go down to plugins and go down to saved plugins and click on the Emailify item. And that's just going to run the plugin we saved a second ago. So if you're new to the plugin, the way that it works is it helps you to design HTML emails in Figma using the design tools and features in the plugin. And then you can customize those to your brand and content, and then finally export that to production-ready responsive HTML with one click using the plugin features. So in this case, I'm not going to be going through all of the design process. I'm going to go through just the upload process. So if you're new to it, feel free to check out the other tutorials. But in this case, I'm going to assume you've already got your design ready. You've previewed it in the plugin to check out what the HTML looks like. So this is the real HTML that's going to be exported. And you can preview it on different device sizes. So this is going to show you what it's going to look like on different devices like iPhone models and things like that. But it doesn't replicate the real devices or real clients that you can only do using a tool like Mailgun Inspect, for example. So in this case, we're going to close out the preview because I'm happy with the design. So I'm just going to click on the Export HTML button in the plugin, and we're going to change the default HTML email option, and we're going to scroll all the way down past the platforms list down to this Upload for Testing category, and we're just going to click on the Mailgun Inspect option. So by default, this isn't going to have an API key populated, so you'll have to create one. And you can do that by clicking on the private API key link in the plugin tip here. And provided that you're logged into your Mailgun account, that's going to automatically navigate you to the API keys page in Mailgun. And from there, you can basically create a brand new API key. So all you need to do for that is to click on the Create Key button in Mailgun, and you can give it a name. So in this case, you might want to call it Emailify for Figma. And then you can just go ahead and click on the Create Key button. And that's going to give you a brand new API key. And it's only going to let you see that once. So make sure that you store it somewhere safe, like a password manager or something like that. But in any case, you want to go ahead and click on the Copy to Clipboard button. That's going to copy the key to your clipboard. So now we can go back to the Figma plugin, go to the API key field here under Mailgun Inspect and just paste that in. And finally, just triple check the region. So you're probably in the US region, but if you're using an EU-based account in Mailgun, you just want to change it to EU, but I'm just going to leave it as US. And then I'm just going to go ahead and click on the Send to Mailgun Inspect button. And what that's going to do is it's going to generate the HTML code, it's going to upload all the images, and then it's going to upload the template itself to the Mailgun Inspect platform. So this is going to save you from manually copy pasting the test into the platform. It's just going to let you automatically do it. So you can see here that it's saying our Mailgun Inspect tests have been uploaded. So all we need to do is go back to our Mailgun account. So I'm going to do that now. And I'm going to go to the Inspect menu over here and click on Email Testing. And you'll notice here that we've just got a brand new test that's come through. So it's saying no subject line set because we didn't actually set a subject line. If you want to do that, you can easily do that by just populating this field down here. So you can paste in your subject line and pre-header text for any email. And that's a good thing to do. So you should probably do that. In this case, I just wanted to do a blank test to show you how it works. So I'm just going to click on the no subject line message here since we didn't set one. And then you'll be able to see that all of the renders are now in Mailgun. So it's basically taken the HTML template that we uploaded from Figma via the plugin, and it's created a test for each of those renders inside of the Mailgun Inspect platform. So if we want to see how the HTML looks on an iPhone 16, for example, we just click on the iPhone 16 render, And you can see here, this is a real snapshot of how it actually rendered on the device itself. So this is a real hardware device that's being captured. It's not a simulation or anything like that. So it gives you a true sense of what that's going to look like. And you can do that for all different clients. You can see we've got Microsoft Outlook 365 on Windows 11. You've got Outlook 2021 on Windows 11. You've got it in dark mode, in light mode, and of course all of the web clients as well. So Gmail, what that looks like on Chrome, on Firefox, and all different situations. You can get a real snapshot of what that looks like and easily check all those devices and clients. So yeah, that's basically it. I just wanted to show you a quick example of how you can automatically upload your HTML email designs from Figma that you've created with the Emailify Figma plugin, and how to get those tests automatically sent over to your Mailgun Inspect account. It's worth noting that Mailgun actually acquired one of the other tools that's supported, which is Email on Acid. So I think they're going to be shutting down Email on Acid. So I thought it'd be worth getting you up to speed on Mailgun Inspect in case you're having to transition away from Email on Acid and now go over to the Mailgun Inspect platform. This is going to be the best way to do it. So yeah, I just wanted to give you a heads up, and hopefully that's helpful if you've been wanting to test out your HTML emails in all different clients and devices, real devices. This is going to be a really good way of going about it using the Mailgun Inspect platform. So we'll leave it there for today. Thank you as always for watching, and we'll be back with more Figma tutorials like this one very soon.